Hi everybody, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, Touch of Magic. Today I'm going to show you a concept for a really simple, beautiful sympathy card. Now this is reaching back into my stash here from May 2022. This is a Let's Stamp Together kit that's done by Scrapbook and Cards Today magazine. And these are the products. Beautiful little set from Concord and 9th. It came with a stencil and stamps that you can see there. And then a die set as well. And I did these with the circle here, but then I thought I wanted to mass produce it. I make a lot of sympathy cards for where I work, and I wanted to have a simple way to do this and streamline it. So this is what I'm doing. What I've done here is I've created a hinge with a mask. This is a Simon Says Stamp A2 circle mask. And I've created a hinge, and I'm using the grid on this Altenew mat here so that I can just keep lining stuff back up. And then I can slide a card in, ink it, slide the next card in, and get all my color bases done. So that's what I'm doing here. So I'm going to take this one out. I'm going to wipe this down because it's got green on it, which is the Aspen here. And then I'm going to take another one, and these are a side fold A2 card. So this way. And then I'm going to just slide it back in, line it up with the grid here, and then use my magnets. And of course it's a circle, so it doesn't have to be, you know, like 100% precise. These cards are quite a simple artsy kind of line art sort of feel. Let's move to the heather here. And I will walk through what I'm doing. So just for some simple gradient blend here, just one color, but starting, what I've done is tried to create a bit of a halo to make it look round. Maybe halo is not the right word, but highlight spots, so some depth with just one color. So starting heavier at the bottom edge here, making sure nothing's slipping. Even though I have magnets, I'm holding this down. And then hard around the edge, but leaving that center light. Now I'm using really soft colors here because, as I said, these are sympathy cards, and I just wanted something kind of soft and lovely. You know, it's a hard enough time for people without something being glaring, so I tend to go with some soft colors. And usually I wipe off at this point so that any color goes back onto the card, not onto the background. And the nice thing about, even with these mats, the magnets still go through. And then we have that. Now, I'm letting that one dry, so I'm going to go back to the first one. And I've already got it set up in my Misty here. Let me find a blank panel so you can see. So I've got it set up in my Misty here already with the leaf and a With Sympathy. So the With Sympathy is from this set from Simon Says Stamp, which is the banner greetings. And I didn't want the banner, but I liked the kind of the curvature because it goes with the design for me. And this one is the leaf. So that's going to go with this back into here. And even though I have a sticky grid in here, I tend to go magnet anyway because I don't want it to slip. And I like where the placement is. And I'm using the VersaFine Clair Nocturne. I really like this. It's a very crisp ink. And I find that just one pass with it is all this needs. And then press. Somewhere in my messy desk. Here we go. My stamp block. A little bit of pressure. And then, nope. I got a bubble in there, I think. There we go. And that's why we have a Misty and a magnet. Get all those edges down. There we go. Now the next phase, I love that this set came with a little, you can see it better on here. It's got a little splatter stamp. And what I do is I will go the same tone or a tone darker. So this is the Aspen. This is very, very subtle, but just a little overlapping onto the circle and onto the white, keeping all your design elements together. I rotate this. And then I will do the black. And then the black. And again, just kind of the same positioning. And I'm just doing one inking and then a tonal with that. And just like that, fairly simple. A really quick and easy little card, and these turn out really nice. Now you could do more with this, but I wanted something easy to make, and I really like how they look. And then so I've done the 2 different designs, and I will do more with this one as well, and I'll end up with like 10 or 12 cards using this layout. So that's it, just a quick and easy one for today. Anything that is still available, I will link below. I'm not an affiliate for SCT Magazine, but if that product is still available on their website, I will link it. But anything simple like that would work for sure. If I can find something comparable, I will put that in the links as well. I appreciate you being here so much. If you haven't already, a thumbs up is really, really a lovely thing. You could subscribe as well. And if you do subscribe, you can ring the notification bell and it'll let you know the next time that I post a video. As I said, I'm not an affiliate for SCT, but I am for many other companies. So my links are often affiliate links, which means I earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It's very appreciated, and it just helps support my channel. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you're inspired by this video. If you do create something similar, please tag me on social media. I would love to see what you're making. And that's it. Just a little quick concept for you today. Thanks again. We'll see you again real soon. Bye.